Internet. Today a very special video on automated machine learning. If you are a data scientist like I am and you do everything hands-on and you have your own programs for every step of the way, this is the first time I dive into automated machine learning. I have high hopes. I think it is kind of a system intelligence, a system artificial intelligence, not only applied to models, but a whole process. And as always, I start with inputting in DuckDuck search AutoML. And what I get is something from Microsoft. What is automated ML? I get something from IBM, AutoML, IBM Cloud. AutoML Microsoft, and Cloud, Google Cloud, and Wikipedia. Wikipedia, okay, let's start with Wikipedia. Automated machine learning is the process of automating the task of applying machine learning to real-world problems. AutoML covers the complete pipeline from the raw dataset to the deployable machine learning model. AutoML was proposed as an artificial intelligence-based solution to the ever-growing challenge of applying machine learning. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Since I'm not familiar with the IBM Cloud, I just cancel the IBM Cloud for the moment. And I would say, let's go to Microsoft AutoML, Microsoft Research. Have a look at this, how they present themselves. Okay, Microsoft, I think you're missing out on some part, but here we go, AutoML. AutoML, state-of-the-art, consists of complex pipelines, choices of hyperparameters, the models, the configuration details that need to be tuned for optimal performance. Yes, I know, I'm spending hours and hours of this. When automated systems are used, the high cost of running a single experiment, a high complexity, impractical, can be caused high-dimensional combinatorial optimization. We tackled the problems by designing probabilistic machine learning models to automate experimental decisions, and meta-learning to reduce the sample complexity and transfer knowledge across datasets. Very good marketing talk, no content at all. So here we go now. Specific problems include neural architecture search, okay, model selection, that is nice, feature engineering, oh yeah, most important topic, hyperparameter tuning, and the model compression. Is live, machine Azure. Here we go. Let's increase it a little bit. Enterprise-grade machine learning service for the end-to-end machine learning lifecycle. This is it. This is what we are looking for. So there's a short video you can have a look at. Industry-leading LMOps, yeah, open source interoperability, integrated tools. There's no everything. Rapidly build and train your models. Operationalize at scale, deliver solutions, innovate, know well, yes. Yeah. Accelerate time and value with rapid and accurate model development, okay. MLOps. Error analysis toolkit, innovate, okay. Building, okay. Key service capabilities, yes. Data preparation, okay. Data labeling, okay. Notebooks, yes. Automated machine learning. This is what I'm interested in. Nothing to click on. Drag and drop machine learning. Eh, nice. No way to click here, get any information. Reinforcement learning, machine learning, experimentation, GitHub. Well, yes, pay nothing. Yeah, pay nothing is good. Ah, here, how to use Azure Machine Learning. Go to your studio web experience. My studio web experience. Okay, if you are a newbie like I am, thank you. Okay, auto new models and store your compute targets, your model, your deployment, your metrics, and run his stores in the cloud. Great. Build and train. Use automated machine learning to identify algorithms and hyperparameters. Auto drag and drop designers. No idea. And deploy and manage. Okay. Beginner's tutorial. Get started with Jupyter Notebooks. Yes. Automated machine learning. Yes, please. Okay. So you see here, I'm now deep into Microsoft train classification with no-code AutoML. Just no-code AutoML. I think this is it. If you're not really familiar with current models, there's this beautiful no-code AutoML trend that you, as, I don't know, a marketing or a CTO or whatever, you suddenly can do machine learning. Okay, prerequisite, create a workspace, name, sign into the studio. Okay. As you can see here, that here on the other side, I already have something also from Microsoft, but in my last video, I told you about Databricks because they have this beautiful Delta Lake architecture, and Databricks AI, they're a data and AI company. And Databricks just released the AutoML version of Databricks for highly parallelized cluster in summer of 2021. So this is what I'm really interested in. But okay, this was Microsoft. So going back, this was Microsoft and now Google Cloud. Let's go and have a look at Google, how is Google doing it? Google Cloud AutoML. Yes, that's nice. Get started for free. Yes. High quality custom machine learning models with minimal effort and, let's say, no machine learning experience. Train custom model machine learning enables developers with limited machine learning expertise. Hey, that's me. That's me to train high quality models specific to their business needs. Okay, I see. Build your own custom machine learning methods model in minutes. Gee, I spend hours. I'm such a fool. Okay, there's a little video. We can have a look at the video, but we have explore our products. And you have to pay for it. Now, what a surprise. Google Cloud, Vertex AI. Unified platform built, deploy, and scale AI. Prepare and store your datasets, tools, faster, manage your models. Okay, next product is Site, AutoML image and video. Derive insight from object detection, image classification. Okay, content discovering. Okay, language, NLP. AutoML text, reveal the structure and meaning of text through machine learning. Try it out now. This is nice. You can try it immediately. Translation, yeah, and structured data. Okay, of course, structured data, yeah, it's clear. Okay, so Google Cloud, nice solution, nice intro. You documentation, we are hardcore. AutoML beginner's guideline. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. A beginner's guideline. Here we go. Tutorials, get started, data or train. This is nice. This looks nice to me. Choose a training model. Imagine you are a coach on a soccer team in the marketing department or an architectural project identifying types of buildings. Okay, I see. Choose a training method. So, but this is supervised learning if I understand it correctly. Fairness. Classical programmer to specify step-by-step instruction. Boo! Let's do the thing where the machine is doing all the work for us. The intelligent machine. Vertex AI involves supervised learning tasks to achieve a desired outcome. Okay, so you have all the supervised learning to do beforehand. That's nice. Vertex AI uses a standard machine learning workflow. Gather your data, prepare your data, train your model parameters, evaluate, review your metrics, deploy, and predict. Data preparation. Okay, there are 4 different problems, and I give you a solution. Gather your data, include enough label examples, target at least 1,000 examples per label, distribute the categories. Okay, you identify the type of files on a picture, get it, supervised learning, prepare your data, train your model, consider uses your datasets in creating a custom model. Okay, validation, training, test, standard, manual splitting, evaluate model. Okay. Okay, so Google Cloud, nice. Vertex AI, nice. But what I'm interested in, and now finally we come here to the second part of the screen. In my last video, I showed you about Databricks and Databricks Spark and the innovations they have with Spark 3.2. And I want to see these innovations also working on Databricks AutoML. So let's go to the leader of the pack. Databricks augment experts, empower citizen data scientists. That's a nice slogan. Schedule demo, try it for free. Databricks AutoML allows you to quickly generate baseline models in notebooks. Accelerate the workflow by fast forwarding through the usual trial and error and focus on customization using their domain knowledge. And citizen data scientists can achieve quickly results, usable results with a low-code approach. And that's nice. A class box approach to AutoML by Databricks. You have your process data. You have your scikit-learn, your Spark ML flow. You iterate through your models and you get the production models. Hey, that's nice. Jumpstart new machine learning projects. Configure AutoML experiment. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna configure with you in the next video an AutoML experiment on the Databricks Cloud cluster. Okay, glassbox approach. Oh, webinar, live demo. Documentation. Yes, I have to go see the documentation. Databricks. November 1st, 2021. Hey, I'm already 3 days late. I wasted 3 days. Days. My goodness, I need another coffee. So here we go. This feature is in public review. Oh, it's not really operational. Databricks AutoML, let's do that, helps you to auto-apply machine learning to a dataset. So what you need is a dataset, and then the machine is doing all the rest for you. It prepares the dataset for model training and performs and records a set of trial, creating, tuning, evaluating multiple models. Hey, that's nice. It displays the results, provides you a second coffee, provides a Python notebook with the source code for each trial run, so you can review, reproduce, and modify the code. Hey, that sounds nice. AutoML calculates summary statistics on your dataset. This is nice. Distributes hyperparameter tuning trials across the worker nodes of a cluster. Hey, okay, they have Spark, of course. They take advantage of this. You can run AutoML using either the user interface or the Python API. I have no idea about either of them, so let's have a look. Requirements. Time series forecast, Databricks runtime 10 ML or above. This is exactly the Databricks runtime I showed you in my last YouTube video. No additional libraries other than those provided with the Databricks runtime can be installed on the cluster. Okay. Hey, wow. Okay. Here we go. Finally something. AutoML algorithms. Databricks AutoML creates and evaluates models based on these algorithms. So these are the 3 algorithms. So you have classification, you have regression, and since there's only one in forecasting, I suppose forecasting is the topic they're currently working on. Profit, of course. So we have with AutoML, classification, regression, forecasting. And classification, we have the typical decision tree, random forest, logistic regression, down decision trees, random forest, profit. Okay. Sampling is not applied to forecasting. Yeah, sure. So just classification, regression, semantic AutoML. Okay, so I suppose I'm gonna have a look at this because I have to inform myself. And then I would say we start up a cluster, a Databricks cluster, a Spark cluster in the cloud, and if we are allowed to use it with the free community edition, you can follow along when I try for first time to start up a Databricks ML experiment. in the clouds. AutoML Python API. I love Python, PySpark. Create a notebook, Databricks file system, load up the notebook, start and run, pass the data frame to AutoML. This is it? Wow, great. Python specification. Okay, here comes the code, forecasting, parameters. Okay, so I would say this sounds good to me. So from AutoML, showed you have it on Microsoft Azure, you have it in Google Cloud, but since I like Spark and new innovations in Spark 3.2, I'm going to focus the next video on some Databricks AutoML, since it's new. It was published in summer of 2021, and I'm really interested to find out what they have done. And maybe I'm gonna watch a webinar live demo to learn a little bit about it, because just an ebook is maybe not the best. Databricks video. Yeah, why not have a look at a video announcing Databricks Machine Learning Feature Store? ML? Are you ML? Please talk to me. Yes, Google, I love you. Oh, thank you. Looks like announcing Databricks Machine Learning Feature Store AutoML keynote data. This is from May 27, 2021. Databricks, originally from Databricks. So this looks good. So I tell you something, it takes about 40 minutes. I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna leave the link to this video down in the description of this YouTube video, so you can watch it too if you're interested, and then we will start with the coding. This was it for today. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.